Hey guys, I'm Cerise and this is my channel. Welcome. Well, this is a one-bedroom apartment and it is located in the heart of El Batey. Now, El Batey is located in Sosua, which is located in Puerto Plata. For those of you who don't know, it's the north coast of the Dominican Republic. This is going for $650 a month. And not only that, you can put it on Airbnb. So you can be living anywhere around the world, put this on Airbnb and have self check-in and check-out and make some passive income as a business, and you're not even here. This place is great because it is so conveniently located to so much stuff. You will not need a car in this place. If you choose to take it and put it on Airbnb as a passive income, or if you choose to take it and just live there long term, it's a great spot. Now, just to give you a couple of landmarks, very close to beaches, very close to around a lot of expats and a lot of locals, very close to banks and pharmacies and bars, nightly entertainment, daily activity. It is hustling and bustling, and you can get everywhere. And not only that, it's located close to Route 5, which means you can get on the local bus and go all the way to Cabarete, or you can go 25 minutes to the airport. It's really located close to a lot. And the local bus is called the Guagua. And the Guagua is not really a place where people tend to get acquainted with. Well, a mode of transportation that people tend to get acquainted with, and you really should, because it is the local bus and it is comfortable, it's fun, they play a little bit of music, and you see people going on their way to work and on their way home from work, and it is a safe form of transportation as well. I would really encourage you guys to get out of your box and get into the culture. Now, there's me doing a cameo. Now, I really would like to say this too, guys. A lot of you ask me, is it a safe area? El Batey is relatively safe. And when I say safe, I mean I don't hear of any crime at all. And I really don't. I've been here for 4 years. And so I look at it like this. Downtown Toronto, I would wake up to hearing different crimes or, reading different crimes constantly. This area here, the expats love it because they walk down the street with not a care in the world. They meet other people. It's so easy to meet other people in this town. I was reading online the other day on Facebook. A gentleman was saying that he wanted to meet and network with a few people via WhatsApp before he gets here so he could have some friends when he got here. And one person on the post said, "Hey, just get here and you're going to meet people right away." And that is so true. Just take a little trip to the beach and you get on one of those beach bar benches or whatever, sit at a table, and before you know it, people are coming up to you, talking to you. No one's going to leave you alone, because that's what it's all about. Now, if you do want to be left alone, of course, there's the quiet beaches that you can go to and just chill out and relax as well. This place does come with air conditioner. It does come with Wi-Fi and also cable and a flat screen TV. So it is fully loaded, even with a microwave and a lot of other things that aren't really added in a lot of Airbnbs. So all you really have to do is just pop up shop. Now, of course, this is renting out the way it looks right now. But if you're the type of person that you want to rent out this place on Airbnb because you're a super host and you really want to fix it up and make it look grand, you can also do that 100%. A lot of people ask, how can they get their hands on this? Well, the first thing you have to do is send me a deposit. So contact me. My number is on the screen. My name is Cerise. Just give me a shout and tell me you saw this video. It's really important, though, for you to also send me the video and let me know exactly what video you're talking about, because I have so many of them, and some people will at times contact me and just say, I'm contacting you about that apartment. And then I'm like, okay, send me the apartment. And because they didn't write down the apartment or subscribe to my channel, they don't know which apartment they are talking about. So it's really important for you to subscribe and also like the video so you have a record of it. and then also send me the video, and then we can get you up and rolling to get this place and any other place that you are interested in. That's how it rolls. You just give me a shout and you send me the video, and then we move on from there and we get you settled in it. Guys, I'd like to thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, for subscribing, and also for hitting that like button and for sharing my videos. I've been hearing that a lot of you guys share my videos with your other friends from around the world, and I really appreciate that because, hey, I do these videos for you guys. And again, my name is Cerise. My information is on the screen. You can WhatsApp me. Feel free any time of the day. I will get back to you within a 24-hour period. I also provide tours on the island in the North Coast, and I also provide airport pickup, drop-off, and a lot of other services. So give me a shout, especially if you are looking to have some home food delivery and anything at all. If you're the type of person that works from home and you need things delivered, I can connect you with some good people in each area of delivery that you need, whether it's a home cooked meal, whether it's laundry, or whether it's pickup to take you somewhere, pick up your prescriptions, or even go pay a bill for you. It is a convenient place to live, and I'm here to help any of you coming here to live short-term or long-term. There are a lot of options. Give me a shout. Have a great day.
Love is a rainbow. Yeah, love